In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off notifications on Whop, step by step, so you can control exactly which alerts you see and hear. Whether you want fewer pop-ups, no sound effects, or just want to manage specific activity notifications, this is a quick setting that can make your Whop experience much cleaner and easier to use. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to whop.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account options. Now, find the gear icon located directly to the right of your username and click it to open your account settings. This is where you'll find all of your personal preferences and notification controls. On the left-hand sidebar, click Notifications. That will take you to the full notification settings page. At the top of this page, you'll see General Notification Options. Here, you can toggle pop-up notifications on or off, depending on whether you want Whop to display alert windows on your screen. Right next to that, you'll also see sound effects. Turn that on if you want audio alerts, or turn it off if you prefer a quieter experience. If you only want to manage certain alerts instead of all notifications, scroll down to the Activity section. This is where Whop lets you customize specific event notifications one by one. You'll see switches for different alert types, including AI chat message, AI chat question, bounty claimed new follower, and payment failed. Each switch can be turned on in blue or off in grey, depending on your preference. A helpful tip here is to keep payment failed notifications turned on, because that alert can help you avoid missing an important issue that could affect your access to memberships or payments. Once you make your changes, you don't need to hit a separate save button. Whop saves your notification settings automatically, so as soon as you toggle something, your preferences are updated. That makes it quick and easy to fine-tune your account without any extra steps. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn notifications on or off on Whop, and how to customize both general alerts and subscribe for more easy Whop tutorials. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Whop tutorials and other software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.